Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting our session today, and this session is about the tips on MS Excel. So we have opened Microsoft Excel, and we are going to see some tips you can use in order to quickly enter data in your Excel sheet. Entering the first name. Yes, let's enter any name we want. Steve, that's the first name. Surname, Nhego, that is the surname. And here we are going to write in Steve Nhego. You see here, Steve and Nhego. Here in full names, we have combined the first name and the surname, and we make it Steve Nhego. Yes, this is the instruction we have given to our computer. The instruction is that first name and surname must be combined in full names. In the column for full names, there will be the combination of first name and surname. And here, okay, now smart data entry is going to work. David, and here we write Nhwari. Then smart data entry is going to work here. First, smart data entry or flash fill is done by Ctrl+E. Ctrl+E. Then we are going to tap Ctrl+E. Ctrl+E. You see, we have tapped Ctrl+E, and David and Nhwari were combined in the cell here in full names column. The third name, Caroline Chusa. Here, smart data entry Ctrl+E. Yes, you see Caroline is there. And now, whatever, Stephen Urugwiro. Smart data entry again, Ctrl+E. You see everything have gone quick. Lazaro Lungu. Smart data entry Ctrl+E. Yes, in fact, you see smart data entry has made everything easy. First name, surname are combined in full names. You see everything is okay here. So that was the first tip. The second tip is how to write numbers in certain currencies. We are going to write numbers in any currencies. We are going to write these numbers in Rwandan francs, in US dollars, in Ugandan shillings, and so on. There are so many currencies in this Excel, and we have chosen those three only. So how to do it then? We are going to use format cells. We are going to select the cells we will be dealing with. The cells we will be dealing with are here. We have selected them. We have selected the cells that we will be dealing with. Select those cells, right click, and downward here there is format cells. Then you select currency and you choose Rwandan francs. In the symbol, and in this box for symbols, we are going to find Rwandan francs. When we scroll down here, we will see Rwandan francs. We will see Rwandan francs down here. Rwandan francs. Yes, here it is. Rwandan francs is there. Then we click, yes, we select Rwandan francs and we click OK. Now these cells were formatted to the currency of Rwandan francs. And here again in this column, we are going to format here in US dollar. To format this column in US dollar, we will right click, we go downward here in format cells, then we select currency. In symbol box, we choose here, we are going to choose US dollar sign. A dollar sign is selected here and we hit OK. Then this column, these selected cells are formatted in dollar sign. Here, we are going to format these cells too in Ugandan shillings. We format cell in Ugandan shillings. We choose cell, the currency. In symbol, we select UGX, Ugandan shillings. When you scroll downward here, you will see Ugandan shillings. Ugandan shillings. Ugandan shillings. Here it is. Ugandan shillings. We select Ugandan shillings and we hit OK. Then we have formatted ourselves in different currencies and we are going to only write in data, and those data will have units of Rwandan francs, US dollar, Ugandan shillings respectively. Now we write any numbers here, 356, you see Rwandan francs in front as a unit for this number, 345, you see 456, you see 678, you see 90, see. So this is what we wanted. Now here in Ugandan shillings, 23, 56, 78, 45, 21. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Ugandan shillings, 34, 56, 78, 46, 32. Yeah, that's all we wanted here, guys. You see, we have numbers with their respective currencies. We are going to look another tip in this Excel. We are going to write here total. We are going to find the total amount. Total amount, let us highlight this. Highlight it. Okay, we are going to find the total for this column, total for this US dollars, total for this Ugandan shillings. And to make total, we are going to see another tip which is called AutoSum. AutoSum, we are not going to use any formula, any what. We are only using Alt plus. That is to say Alt plus sign. So we will select this column. The cell is filled with numbers and we hit Alt plus on keyboard. Again here, hit Alt plus on keyboard. Again here, hit Alt plus on keyboard. Ladies and gentlemen, you see this is the total we have made within a blink of an eye. This is so simple. Those are the tips I have prepared for you today. Stay tuned. We are here. Other tips are coming.